Most people think income is just about how much money you make every month, but the truth is there are levels to income, and each level tells a completely different story about your freedom, control, and financial future. Understanding where you are now and how to move up is one of the most important things you can do for your career or business. The first level is earned income. This is where most people start. You trade your time for money. It could be a salary, a freelance project, or hourly wages. You work, you get paid. Stop working. The money stops. It's the most active form of income and it's also taxes highest. The key problem here is that your income is limited by your time and energy. There are only 24 hours in a day and you can only push so hard before burnout kicks in. The next level is profit income. This is when you sell something for more than it costs you to make a deliver. Entrepreneurship live here. You create a product or a service, build system around it and make money from the margin. You're not just getting paid for your time, you're getting paid for creative value. This is major shift in mindset. You're no longer thinking like employer. Then comes interest income, money you earn from lending your money out. Think high yield, saving bond or peer-to-peer lending. It's usually more passive but the returns can be modest unless you're playing with large sums. Still, it's a way to let your money start working for you instead of other way around. The fourth level is dividing income. This comes from owning shares in companies that pay you a portion of the profit. It's one of the few ways to earn recurring income without doing recurring work. Smart investors build a portfolio that pays them whether they work or not. This is especially powerful in long-term wealth building strategies. Now we hit rental income, one of the most popular forms of passive income. You buy real estate and rent it out. The tenants pay your mortgage and then some, of course. Real estate comes with its own risk and responsibility, but done right, it can create steady monthly cash flow and long-term equity. Then there's a capital gain. You buy something at one price and sell it at higher price. Stock, real estate, even businesses. This is where timing and strategy matter. It's not consistent like rent or dividends, but one big sale can change your life. Finally, there's royalty and licensing income. This is money you earn from asset you create, like books, software, music, or intellectual property. Once it made, can be keep generating income for years. This is where creators, authors, and innovators thrive. So, where are you right now? And more importantly, where do you want to go next? Understanding these income levels is not just about making money, it's about choosing the kind of life you want. If this helps you see income differently, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in this comment which level you are aiming for next.